Hello, my name is Earth-chan. I understand that you're interested in learning more about me. That's great. Let me tell you some interesting facts about myself. You might hear some people spreading rumors about me that I'm flat, but that's definitely not true. In fact, I have quite a generous waistline. At the equator, the circumference of the globe is 24,901 miles, or 40,075 kilometers. And did you know? At the equator, you would weigh less than if standing at one of the North or South poles. And I may look young, but I'm actually about 4.54 billion years old. I'm usually calm, but I can get flustered easily. As of March 2016, the largest earthquake to shake the United States was a magnitude 9.2 Timblar that struck Prince William Sound, Alaska on Good Friday, March 28, 1964. The largest earthquake in the world was a magnitude 9.5 in Chile on May 22, 1960. I wouldn't consider myself hot-headed, but I certainly do have some hot spots. My hottest spot is El Aziza, Libya, where temperature records reveal a temperature of 136 degrees Fahrenheit, or 57.8 degrees Celsius. This was recorded on September 13, 1922. My good friends at NASA indicate that there have likely been even hotter locations beyond the network of weather stations. Phew, pretty toasty, huh? On the other hand, my coldest spot can be found in Antarctica, but the chill factor is somewhat unbelievable. Winter temperatures there can drop below minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 73 degrees Celsius. The lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth came from Russia's Vostok station, where records show the air plunged to a bone-chilling minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 89.2 degrees Celsius on July 21, 1983. I guess you can say I can be pretty icy sometimes. Even still, I can be quite magnetic. Literally. I have a magnetic field because of the ocean of hot liquid metal that sloshes around inside my solid iron core. Or at least, that's what geophysicists are pretty sure is the cause. This flow of liquid creates electric currents, which, in turn, generate my magnetic field. Since the early 19th century, my magnetic North Pole has crept northward by more than 600 miles. The rate of movement has increased, with the pole migration northward at about 40 miles, compared with the 10 miles per year estimated in the 20th century. My magnetic field also varies in strength, and recently it was found to be weakening. But no worries. Did you know that at one time I might have had a second moon? Spanning at about 750 miles wide, it may have orbited me before it catastrophically slammed into the other larger moon. This clash may explain why the two sides of the surviving lunar satellite are so different from each other. In fact, some scientists claim I have two moons currently. According to researchers reporting in the December 20th, 2011 issue of the planetary space journal Icarus, a space rock at least 3.3 meters wide orbits me at any given time. They're not always the same rock, but rather an ever-changing assortment of temporary moons. Their theoretical model suggests that my gravity captures asteroids as they pass near me on their way to the sun. When one of these space rocks gets drawn in, it typically makes 3 irregularly shaped swings around me, sticking around for about 9 months before hurling off again on its way. Sometimes it may seem like I can be a little shallow, but actually, I'm quite complex and deep. The deepest point on my ocean floor is 35,813 feet below sea level in the Mariana Trench. My lowest point not covered by ocean is 8,382 feet below sea level. But good luck walking there. That spot is in the Bentley Subglacial Trench in Antarctica, buried under lots and lots of ice. You'll definitely need more than just a light jacket, that's for sure. My bodies of water can be beautiful, but they can also be very dangerous. This next part's a little embarrassing, so please don't tease me about it. But sometimes my lakes, sometimes they can explode. It's very real and very dangerous. In Cameroon and on the border of Rwanda and the Democratic Republic of the Congo, there are 3 deadly lakes: Nyos, Monaun, and Kivu. All three are crater lakes that sit above volcanic Earth. Magma below the surface releases carbon dioxide into the lakes, resulting in a deep, carbon dioxide-rich layer right above the lake bed. That carbon dioxide can be released in an explosion, asphyxiating any passers-by. Please use extreme caution when exploring these areas. And that's not the only strange thing happening to my water either. Oddly enough, I'm actually losing fresh water. You see, as the climate changes, glaciers are retreating and contributing to rising sea levels. It turns out that one particular glacier range is contributing a whopping 10% of all the meltwater in the world. This honor belongs to the Canadian Arctic, which lost a volume equivalent to 75% of Lake Erie between 2004 and 2009. Pretty crazy, huh? You see, humans leave their mark on me in all sorts of weird ways. For example, nuclear tests in the 1950s threw a dusting of radioactivity into the atmosphere. Those radioactive particles eventually fell as rain and snow, and some of that precipitation got trapped in glaciers, where it forms a little "you are here" layer for scientists trying to date the age of glacial ice. Which is pretty neat, but some glaciers are melting so fast, however, that this half-century of history is gone. But enough about glaciers. Before we finish up, let me tell you about my largest living organism. I know what you may be thinking. Maybe a whale or an elephant. Well, actually, the biggest organism on the planet may just be a really huge fungus. In 1992, scientists reporting in Nature magazine revealed the world of an armorillia, or honey mushroom, a fungal organism that spans 2,200 acres in Oregon. Pretty incredible, right? I have a lot of amazing things I want to share with you, so I need you to treat me kindly and protect me, okay? It means a lot to me to know that I have you to take care of me. Thank you.